What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Chevy Trax flip key remote fob. This Chevrolet Trax key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a flathead screwdriver. So if we grab our key fob and we hold it with the buttons facing down, and then we take a look down here near the key ring, in the bottom of this back cover, there's this notch right here that I have the end of the screwdriver in. So what I'm going to do is put my screwdriver in that notch and then pry up on the back cover like that. And I can pull it the rest of the way off with my hands. As I did that, this battery kind of fell out, but that doesn't always happen. If the battery just stays in there, you may be able to get it out with your finger. If not, you can grab your screwdriver and kind of get on the edge of it and get it out of that holder. Either way, once we get our old battery out, we can then install our new battery. And you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up, positive side up. I'll kind of tuck that edge in like that. And it just sits there. Let me go ahead and snap the back cover on. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.